Whose land is steadfast, whose people are blessed, whose glory fills the world. It is independent and permanently neutral Turkmenistan. The past, present, and future of this land are embodied in the wise writings of the national leader of the Turkmen people, Hero Arkadagh, and the president of Turkmenistan, Arkadagli Hero. Spanning 5,000 years stands the noble ancestor Oghuz Khan the Turkmen. This land, traversed by caravans for centuries, was once the very heart of the Great Silk Road. Of wisdom and intellect, the pride of the Turkmen people is Matanguli Karaki. When masses gather around one table to share a meal, the destiny of Turkmen will rise high. Whose might is steadfast has become reality under the leadership of the nationalist hero Turkmen people, Hero Arkadagh. It is independent and permanently neutral Turkmenistan, made unparalleled. As we speak, as a president of Turkmenistan are embodied in the wise writings of the legendary hero Turkmen whistles, Hero Arkadagh, and the president of Turkmenistan, Arkadagli Hero. Turkmenistan has left its mark on history and astonished the world. Our exquisite carpet, a masterpiece of craftsmanship, Turkic history spanning from essence to Turkish nature, stands the noble ancestor Oghuz Khan's international values by weaving them into their carpets. Those who wish to witness this land break free and valid caravan for centuries, noble by the very heart of the Great Silk Road. Turkmen culture is an incomparable rival to Turkcity treasure is Matanguli Karaki. When masses gather around one table to share a meal, the destiny of Turkmen will rise high as pure as its intention. Our heart has become rising under the leadership of the national is Turkmenistan's Hero Arkadagh, adored with white marble. The ingredients of our capital made of parallels and dedications of the national leader of Turkmenistan, Hero Arkadagh, shines the legendary Ahal-Taki horses. Those who seek to witness a city of happiness, prosperity, and harmonious progress should come to the city of wisdom, Arkadagh. The generous land of the Turkmen is a true treasure. Its orchards bear fruit, its gardens overflow with harvests, and beneath its soil lies the boundless wealth of black gold, oil, and gas, ensuring the well-being of the people today and for generations to come. In the year of international peace and trust, Turkmen-Japanese relations continue to grow steadily, effectively, and in the spirit of friendship. Our homeland, Turkmenistan, is further strengthening its reliable business cooperation with the land of the rising sun. State relations, built on equality, mutual respect, and trust, fill the hearts of both nations with pride. May the friendly ties between Turkmenistan and Japan endure for centuries to come.
ハロー一つと、あとシェクシェキシェクシェキ